So magkano nga ba ang prepaid health insurance policy? So for as low as 549 pesos, pwede ka na makabili ng sarili mong health insurance. And if I were you, kung may natatabi akong 549 pesos, ipambibili ko na yan ng health insurance today. Hi everyone, this is Kyle of Daddy Setco and welcome to my first YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be talking about prepaid health insurance plans in the Philippines. So before we talk about the different health insurance plans, let's first define what a health insurance is. So ang health insurance ay isang type of insurance coverage that covers for medical expenses na nagamit ng isang insured individual. And ang payment is either in full or in partial. So ibig sabihin, kung ikaw isa kang insurance policy holder for health, once na hospital ka, yung insurance company or yung health insurance company, they will be the one to pay for your hospital bills. Provided, of course, na covered siya under your policy or binayaran mo or binabayaran mo yung plan. So, bakit nga ba kailangan natin ng insurance or health insurance? Alam naman natin lahat ng healthcare system sa Pilipinas is medyo challenging. And kahit na ba sabihin mo nagbabayad ka ng PhilHealth on a monthly basis, hindi pa rin naman enough yung coverage na mabibigay niya for you. And yes, meron din tayong tinatawag na Employee Health Benefits or HMO na binibigay ng mga employers, pero malaking porsyento pa rin ng mga Pilipino ang walang ganitong coverage. And this is mainly because we don't have clear laws on employee health benefits. And yes, meron tayong tinatawag na Universal Healthcare Bill na ipapasa daw, but while waiting for that, we need to find a way to protect ourselves and our family from the rising cost of healthcare in the Philippines. I remember back in 2016 when I first started working for a startup, in which I'm still currently working with right now. Nung panahon na yun, wala kaming health benefits. And at the time, buntis pa lang yung girlfriend ko. And I remember we were talking, what if ma-hospital yung anak namin? Saan kami kukuha ng pera? So, ang ginawa ko, naghanap ako ng iba't ibang health insurance company na nag-offer ng comprehensive insurance. And I remember I was quoted an amount of 28,000 pesos just for a plan for myself. So this is because meron silang tinatawag na hierarchy needs. So ibig sabihin ng hierarchy needs, kailangan mo na ma-cover yung topmost member of the family before they can cover the child. So in this case, ako yun. So kailangan ko magbayad ng 28,000 for myself and another 28,000 for my son. Eh nung panahon na yun, wala naman kaming ganong klaseng pera. So, I decided to look around for a better alternative, and that's when I found out about prepaid health insurance plans. So, ano ba ang prepaid health insurance plan? So, ang prepaid health insurance plan is just like your typical health insurance policy, but the main difference is they're paid for in advance. And as compared sa comprehensive insurance or HMO coverage, mas lesser yung benefits na ma-offer niya, and it's cheaper. But the important thing remains, you will be protected financially. So let's start with plans for emergency care services. So we all know that accidents happen all the time, which is why we need an insurance plan that protects us from emergencies. So first on our list is MaxiCare E-Ready Titanium Plan, which is 549 pesos. So for 549 pesos, you get a one-time availment coverage of emergency care services of up to 15,000 pesos. And coverage already includes emergency room fees, doctor's professional fees, and even animal bites, including vaccines or yung rabies shots. So doon pa lang, malaking savings na talaga yung makukuha mo. And if you have more budget or if you want more coverage, you can get PhilCare E-Vantage Plus Adults Plan. You have two options, 40K and 60K. So yung 40K plan, that's 1,050 pesos. And yung 60K plan, that's 1,350 pesos. And just like MaxiCare E-Ready Titanium, it also covers for emergency care services. But the main difference is, mas malaki yung coverage niya, almost double or triple the amount. So for the 40K plan, you get 40,000 emergency care services. For 60K plan, you get 60,000 emergency care services. And since this is an adult-only plan, ang coverage nito is from 18 years old to 65 years old. So how about doctor consultations? So we all know na pag may anak ka, important yung doctor consultations. However, madalas yung consultations, it already cost around 500 to 600 pesos. And malaking bagay yun kung buwan-buwan kang pumabalik sa doktor. So to help you out, you can get an insurance policy for consultations. So first on our list is the Family Doc Unli Consulta card, which is 600 pesos. So for that amount, you will get unlimited access or unlimited consultations with any doctors on Family Doc branches for 6 months. So 600 pesos for 6 months, sobrang malaking savings na yun para sa mga consultations. And if you, again, you have more budget, you can try Medicard Health Plus e-voucher. That's 1,100 pesos. Just like the Family Doc Unli Consulta card, it covers for consultations. And more than that, they also offer 1 annual free examination, free physical examination, and then 1 free dental prophylaxis per year. And then you also get 20% discount on diagnostic and laboratory tests on any Medicard freestanding clinic. So yung Family Doc Unli Consulta card, you can only use that at Family Doc branches. Yung Medicard Health Plus e-voucher, you can only use that at Medicard freestanding clinics. But then again, malaki pa rin yung savings na makukuha mo when you think about the cost. So let's talk about confinement. Alam naman nating lahat na once na na-confine ka sa hospital, iniisip mo na agad yung malaking hospital bill. And to protect yourselves financially, you have to buy an insurance policy for that as well. So one good card is my MaxiCare Blue card. It's 1,599 pesos and it covers for 8 types of viral illnesses, and once covered, you will get up to 25,000 pesos of coverage. So let's say 50,000 yung hospital bill mo and PhilHealth covers for 25,000 and MaxiCare covers for another 25,000. So zero na yung babayaran mo. All in all, malaki yung magiging savings mo. Marami pang iba't ibang klase ng prepaid health insurance plans, but those are just my personal suggestions to you. And also, I'm not a health professional and hindi rin po ako sales agent. This is just my way of helping people out find a better alternative. And if you want to learn more about prepaid health insurance plans or other insurance policies, you can go to www.mariahealth.ph. They will be able to help you out find a plan that fits your need and your budget. So this is based on my experience. Nakabili na ako ng insurance policy sa Maria Health before and hassle-free yung transaction and maganda yung customer support nila. And if you also learned something new today, feel free to share this video with your friends and your family. And if you have questions for me, leave them in the comments down below. And I'll also put the links in the description box. And please do subscribe to my channel. Again, this is Kyle of Daddy Set Go. And until next time.